conferencing in itself is a sustainable development solution. It makes it possible for participants from all over the face of the planet to articulate and exchange their ideas, their research outcomes, their suggestions and their recommendations without having to use much energy and without having to spend days traveling in order to make a 20-minute presentation. In addition, participants are not bound to any particular time frame and can make their presentations and interventions at their convenience, since the conference is potentially perpetual and lasts for as long as it is hosted online. The conference material too is also available online for consultation, reference and citation for as long as the conference continues to be hosted. And this level of functionality requires little more than the use of a smartphone with internet access. Online conferencing can also play what seems to be a much more significant role. The perception of developmental pathways that may lead to a sustainable and resilient global civilization based on clear objectives emerge from amidst the species Homo sapiens in a seemingly random way. We do not know beforehand when and from where these perceptions are going to emerge. They may not emerge in time for your conference, or they may emerge just after your conference is over. And when these perceptions do emerge, they tend to dissipate unless they are recorded and captured, so to speak. If not, they disappear. Very often, the way that dreams are forgotten when one awakes. It is therefore very important that such emerging perceptions are identified, engaged, and quickly channeled along flows of perception that converge and form confluences that act as dynamic and volatile, Gaia-like drivers of the developmental process. This channeling process has taken on many different forms throughout the evolutionary process of the species Homo sapiens. At present, much of this channeling of perceptions occurs through the conferencing process, including the formal presentation and exchange of papers, as well as the discussion and brainstorming that occurs informally.